Hi everyone, welcome back to my private class. This is Gloria Home of Skills. In this class, I'm going to be teaching exfoliating vitamin C bathing soap. So first of all, what you are going to be doing is to measure out your caustic soda. So this is my caustic soda. This is 308 gram of caustic soda, and this is the water I'll be using. This is 620 gram of water, and all this measurement is measured in gram, not in liter. Okay, I've already made soap on this table, so I was tired, so I decided just to mix these two together and leave it overnight. So that is how you're going to do it. Add your caustic soda and dissolve it in water and cover it and leave it overnight. Then the next day, this is my oils. You want to get a very good bathing soap, you have to make use of luxurious oils. Like this one I'm just measuring now is coconut oil. Don't bother about measurement, all the measurement will be listed at the end of this video. So I'm just adding it inside the mixing bowl. So what is in there is shea butter, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, and palm oil, red palm oil that is bleached. So you can see that one that looks like pink, it is bleached with chemicals, but you can bleach it on the fire. So this one is my beeswax. There are different kinds of hardeners, but I'll be using beeswax as my hardener. When you use all these hardeners, within 2 to 3 weeks of your production, your soap will cure very fast. Added it into all this oil I mentioned. Remember I said palm oil, palm kernel oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. So start by filtering your oil. I melted it on the fire. That beeswax doesn't melt using water, so you have to put it in your oil and heat it up. So that is what I did, and I am filtering it. I've showed where I dissolved it on the fire, but I don't want this video to be too long. So these are the serum that I are going to use. This is my fragrance, and the other one is my vitamin C serum. This is peach fragrance. This is oil and vitamin E oil. You can use capsule. This is white nan oil in case if you just want to add it. Going to be making use of pineapple extract powder. That is it I am holding in my hand. So extract powder has to be dissolved in your oil, so this is the best time to mix it. This stage you can add any powder that you want to add, any powder like half caste powder, kojic powder, mango, ginger, white powder, all those powders. This is the best time to add it, and make sure you whisk it, dissolve it properly. So in this video I'm not going to be using all this. What I'm going to use is this pineapple extract powder. The powder that you feel like adding to make your soap more higher than others, this is the best time to add it. If you want it to remove dark spots, you can add kojic acid, but this one I am just using here is okay. So I just added brown color, little of it. But this is the best time to add your color in case if you want to make use of colors. Feel free to use any shade of color that you choose to use. To look for market demanding colors, like brown color sells very well in Nigeria. So I am adding turmeric oil, 5 ml of turmeric oil in here, white now oil 5 ml. The next thing I'll be adding is aloe vera gel. I'll be adding just 2 tablespoons. Please don't make use of raw aloe vera. This is an industrial soap. It's not a home use soap that you can just add all those things. So just make use of this aloe vera gel that I used. It is already preserved. So add glycerin and vitamin E and mix it properly. My camera did not capture that side, so mix it properly. So this brown color that I used in Nigeria, once they see it, what comes to their mind is medicated soap or herbal soap. So that is why I used this color. So this is my light solution that is dissolved overnight. Remember I said it is 24 hours, so you have to keep it for it to get cold. Then the next thing, I have to filter it. Please filter your your caustic soda and your oil so that you won't see particles or ants in your soap after production. Remember I told you that the beeswax makes your soap strong, so you have to dissolve it in your oil, like put it in the oil and melt everything together. So there's something I want to tell you, like this shea butter. I know that shea butter is expensive, and what I used in this production should be around 300 grams. So if you don't have money to buy up to that, you can just use this thing shea butter half, then animal fat, use half of it. In this production you have to be very fast. You know why I added those oils initially is because I don't want this to get cured, because this I have already added, I added a hardener, so if you waste time here it's going to get blocked. As you are seeing, it is already doing it here, so you have to be very fast. You also want to make a herbal soap, or if you want a natural brown color, you can just add aloe vera stem into your light solution and leave it overnight. Then you can also add neem leaf, all those things. It will not turn to green, or when you add it, it will turn to green, but the next day it is going to give you a normal brown color. You don't need to buy any color again. This pineapple extra powder that I use, you always see it in toners. You get it in a cosmetic shop, or you can get it from all these malam, all these people that sells neem leaf, turmeric powder, all those people. That's where you can get it, or you get it in a cosmetic store. It is always used in facial kind of things. People that has acne and breakouts, is a deep exfoliant with lots of vitamin C. If you cannot find it in your area, you can just get it, slice it, like get a pineapple, slice it, and air dry it and grind it and put it in your soap. If you want to add jojoba beads, feel free to add, because it's an exfoliant that removes oils in your pores, exfoliate and bring out oil. Jojoba beads removes oil, like it's an exfoliant that removes oil from your skin, so that vitamin C's can work on your skin. That vitamin C helps to prevent sun damage. So as I left it here, I can see that the color is changing and the soap is gelling as well. I have two samples of this production. If you want your skin to be brighter and glow, you can make use of the first one I listed, and if you just want normal glow, just make use of this, okay? And for the jojoba beads, it is optional.